welcome back to my channel. This video is gonna be my November empties. I know there's some spoiler alert for some projects, but some panning projects, but it's all okay. Maybe some people don't watch the project pan updates or anything like that. Let's go ahead and get into it. I don't know where to start. Maybe we'll start hair care. Yeah, sure, let's do hair care. The first thing that I finally finished is this Rusk Working Spray Flexible Hairspray Medium Hold. I had this for years. I'm glad to be done with it. I did like it. Spray it and then kind of like straighten or curl my hair. It would give me quite a bit of hold, but then I would have to wash my hair the very next day. So if I know I'm gonna wash my hair, let's say tomorrow, I would use this guy, curl my hair, and then go with it, because otherwise my hair would be a little bit sticky. So that's why it took me a really long time to finish it, but I'm done. Yay. Okay, so I do have, it's a 10, the Miracle Moisture shampoo. This guy is gone. Yay. I don't know. I like the It's 10 products. I've used their, like, the spray, the leave-in spray. I like that. Sleek Shot by Garnier Fructis. You're supposed to mix this with the shampoo. I use those two together. I mix them and then I blow dry my hair or straighten my hair. They were okay. And I do have this Seed Phytonutrients Scalp and Root Oat Mask with cleansing oats and carrot seed oil. So what this is, it was kind of like a gritty thing. You're supposed to rub it on your roots and then you put water and like you rub it to really get to cleanse your scalp. Like let's say you use a lot of dry shampoo or anything like that, there's a lot of buildup. You're supposed to use that thing. It was nice, but it was a pain to remove out of the hair. It took me forever in the shower to kind of like to try and get all the gritty stuff out. It's not something I would purchase again. I do have the Macadamia Professional Oil Infused Hair Repair Daily Deep Conditioner. I think this was really nice. I remember it was impressive a little bit compared to the other stuff. So that I remember, it was kind of nice. I'm going to go ahead and just do it real quick. I'm going to get my contact lens solutions out of the way. I do have 3 little of the the travel size of Clear Care Plus. Those are always a repurchase. I don't know why I have so many of the little ones. It just happened. And then I have one of the Opti-Free Pure Moisture Hydroglide with Hydroglide. This is kind of like, so I use these for overnight, and then occasionally, like let's say I feel like my contact is a little bit dirty or something like that, needs a little bit additional cleaning, I use this guy. Though they will always be repurchases. Okay, I have an empty, like the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. I think I only have one like smaller travel size ones of these left. I'm trying to finish them all, finish all the kind of cleansers that I have like this. Trying to finish it all, get it out of my collection. I really like this guy. I will repurchase it once I go through some of the other open products, and once I actually use up the travel one. I usually take the travel one with me on travel because it's so gentle. It cleans my makeup really well. The way that I use it, I don't use it, well, I use it in 2 different ways. If I don't have a cleansing oil or balm or anything like that, I'll put that cleanser on like a cotton, like a pad, and then just clean off my makeup, and then I'll go in with secondary cleanser on my Clarisonic. But if I do have cleansing oil or balm or whatever, I use that first, and then occasionally I would use this on my Clarisonic, or if there's some leftover makeup, sometimes from my mascara, I would clean up after I use the balm, or I'll clean my neck with it, because I don't like to put like cleansing balm to my neck if I'm washing my face on the sink. So I use that guy. There we go. That's a long explanation for it. I do have those two little sample things by Fourth Ray. One is the gel cleanser and one is the cleansing oil. They were nice. I had used a little bit larger size of these two. It's not something I will repurchase. I mean, they were okay, but not wonderful. Yeah, it's not something I will repurchase, that's for sure. The gel is really nice, and it had kind of like a watermelon smell. I think it's watermelon. I'm not 100% sure what kind of fruit it is, but if it gets in my if it got in my eyes, it hurts so badly. So for that reason, it's not gonna be a repurchase. I did finish the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water, the little sheet. There's actually 2 uses in here. I don't like micellar waters, so I'm not gonna repurchase that. I do have, I guess we're doing skincare now. Oh, another hair thing, the It's a 10 Miracle Hair Mask. It was okay. One time use doesn't really tell me much. Drunk Elephant A Passione Retinol Cream. This guy is gone. I did really enjoy that. That was really nice. It was memorable, we'll just say that. I do have the little Sephora Triple Action Cleansing Water. This was better than the Garnier Fructis Micellar Water, actually. I liked it more. Boscia Makeup Breakup Cool Cleansing Oil. This was nice. This cleaned pretty well. I actually did enjoy that. I believe this stuff was in hashtag 365 days of samples. Some of it I might have already talked about in my last update, and some of it is going to be for the update coming up. So spoiler alert, that's that. I did finish the what is this? Nature's Bounty Beauty Even Beauty, like skin and hair supplements. I always take biotin usually, or like what's the other brand? Can't remember. I think it's the same brand, but I buy like the big one from Costco. I do take those, but this was sent to me complimentary from influencer for review. I did use it. I always take them, so I don't know if they really do anything or not. I know my nails are definitely stronger. My hair grows pretty fast, so I want to say maybe they do actually work. I finished up. Let's do some bath stuff. I don't know. It's a big mix of things. Pure Seduction, the Indulgent Bath Bubbles. This is from Victoria's Secret, way old. I find like, I know, I moved a year and a half ago, and I finally finished unpacking some stuff. And, and this was in one of the boxes. I finished it. I was pretty happy with it. Pretty happy that I finished it. So old, like this is old ass packaging, but it was nice for like little bubbles in the bath. Those bubbles don't stay very long, so they kind of fade away pretty quickly. Kneep? I don't know. Kneep? Mineral bath salt, Dream Away, Valerian, and Helps with essential oils and vegan. This was really nice bath salts. This actually, my friend Valerie sent it to me. It turned my water blue. It was so nice. I really liked the scent of it too. It kind of left my skin feeling kind of moisturized. It was really nice. I actually really enjoyed that. Thank you, Valerie, for sending me that. I definitely enjoyed it. I do have Very Sexy Dare body lotion. This was in my 19 and 2019. Finally finished this guy. Again, that's a really old Victoria's Secret product. I finished Secret Luxe Lavender like deodorant. I go through these very slowly. I don't know why. I just hate, like, if you put too much and kind of like gets sticky under my armpits. I hate that. So I use very little bit, like the least amount possible without me stinking. It's a repurchase. I might have not bought the same scent, but I definitely repurchased this guy. I like the clear the best because it doesn't leave like white residue on my shirts or anything like that. Even the ones that say no white residue, they do leave a residue. Best Foot Forward Foot Butter with Peppermint Oil by Dirty Works. I finished this guy. I really liked it. It like minty. It wasn't super thick, so like if you really have bad calluses, or you know, like your hairs need a little bit more moisture or anything like that, this wouldn't be it. But for kind of like everyday use, to just put this on, put some socks on, and like sit for a few hours, this was nice. I enjoyed it. Pretty happy to be done with that. I finished another body lotion. This is by Bliss. I guess this is body butter. This is the Maximum Moisture Cream, Lemon and Sage. This was nice. It was very rich, because it's a body butter, and it did leave my skin feeling super soft. I do like the lemony smell in products. That was a plus. Couple more things. I finished the e.l.f. Hydrating Coconut Mist. I love this stuff. It's pretty amazing. It just I don't know how to describe it, but I love it. It leaves my skin dewy, glowy, not oily or anything like that. I do have a backup of this. I'm trying to finish the Soothing Aloe one. That's another one that's really great. I'm gonna try to finish that one first before I open the second one of these. I really like it. The day that like I do use it after, let's say I took a really hot shower and I get out of the shower and my skin feels a little tight, I would spray it on my face and then go ahead and do my skincare. All right, a couple more and then we'll do makeup empties. Couple more, what are these called? Skincare. Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Booster Serum. I really enjoyed this guy too. I had a good month. I gotta say, I had a really good month. I think this was a gift from Ulta, like a diamond perk kind of gift. I want to say that's what it was. I loved it. So it's a serum. I use it day and night. It just absorbed really nicely into the skin. I don't know if it really fought my wrinkles or anything like that, but it absorbed really nicely. It didn't react funny with any of my moisturizer after it, like on top of it. It was pretty good. Gold Fade and MD Bright Eyes. This was in my 19 and 2019 and I finished it like 2 days after I did my update. I didn't know I was so close. Again, I'll have that. I will have that project. I just uploaded my update, so I'll have that project linked in the cards and the description box. This guy was really nice, but sometimes it depends on what moisturizer I would use, and if I brought my moisturizer too close to like my eyes, it would pill up, or if I use too much of this guy, it would pill up. It doesn't sink in very nicely under the eye. It's not a repurchase, that's for sure. I've tried a couple other eye creams through like hashtag 365 days of samples, and like I just bought an eye cream from Sephora's VIB sale that I prefer over this, so this is not a repurchase. Okay, I do have like makeup and I don't know what to call this guy. Grande Lash MD Lash Enhancing Serum. Every 3 months there's an empty of these guys. I absolutely love it. I will repurchase. I have repurchased. I started using the new one and I just bought another one during Ulta's Black Friday sale. So okay, let's do makeup. We had a good month this month, or I think it was a good month. I want to say it was a good month. Rimmel London, like Exaggerate Eyes. This was in my 19 and 2019, and again, a couple days after I filmed my update, this guy was empty. I did talk about like how there was like a little hole in it. This was a brown eyeliner, and I don't know why it's kind of like clear. Like, I'm not sure what that's about. This is the first one that I ever finished from Rimmel London. Like, can you see that? It's like clear in there. I don't know. So this guy is gone. I finished the Tarte Shape Tape. This is my biggest victory of the year. This guy is completely gone. Also, this was in my 19 and 2019, and I did roll in a different product in its place, not to actually finish but to just make some progress on. So that is out. I went ahead and finished the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I really like this, but toward the end it started kind of like flaking under my eye pretty badly. It was time to get rid of it, so it's gone. It's not my absolute favorite mascara. I like it more after it's been open for 2 or 3 weeks. I like it a lot. Then kind of gets thicker. It does give me those spidery lashes, so I like that. I finally finished this guy, YSL Touche Eclat Blur Primer. I hated this. I couldn't wait to finish it. I'm finally done with it. It took me a long time to finish this guy, about 1.5 years, because I did not like reaching for it, but it was like time, okay, I gotta finish it. I don't want to roll it into 2020, so that's out. And then the last, oh, I do have one more empty and one declutter. Actually, I should have 2 declutters. Okay, I have 2 declutters and one more empty. e.l.f. Wow Brow. This is, I think it was brunette. This also was in my 19 and 2019. There's still like little fibers in there, but there's no like the gel holding thing. But this was really nice. I am using one by Essence now. It does have that gel holding thing, so I'm really liking it. But this one, it got to the point like after I use it for so long, it was just the fibers, and I need more of the hold than the fibers because I do have a lot of brows anyways. So, but it's really nice. I would consider repurchasing for sure. And I did go ahead, like the Essence one that I started using, I rolled it in its place for that project. The other empty, I forgot, is Black Opium little perfume sample. I love this scent. I do have the full size, so I'm done with this. Okay, declutters. This guy went bad on me. This is the NYX Butter Gloss. You can see like at the bottom how it had changed color, so this guy went bad. I don't know, I didn't try to use it or anything like that. It doesn't smell bad, but I saw the color change at the bottom. I'm like, okay, it's time to let this guy go. And my other declutter of the month is another lipstick, and this is Rimmel London Amethyst Shimmer. This was in my like roulette lipstick, which I'm gonna start filming. That video should be up after this one. I'm gonna film it right after this, but I'm gonna post empties first. Or no, it's gonna be up before the empties, so I'll have it linked in the cards. But this guy is a declutter. It's a pretty color, but it's so shiny, kind of like a little bit metallic, and I don't reach for it. I pulled it into my roulette. I used it the one time and I wasn't like really excited to use it again or anything like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and declutter this guy. It's a color that I think my mom would really enjoy, so I'm gonna see if she would like to use it. If not, I'm just gonna go ahead and toss it out. This is it. I think with this month I should have reached my $2,500 goal. Check the description box for that. I have a tally going of how much I've used throughout the year. My original goal was 2,000. I passed it, and then I set a new goal of 2,500. So check the description box if you're curious how much I've used up throughout the year. If you're new here, I hope you consider subscribing. If you enjoyed this video, or if you enjoy watching empties videos, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.